All right, this is video 2 of the Pratt Community College. We got a little bit of a cold day out here, but we're trying to get this roof before winter sets in so it won't leak. This is going to be a temporary repair, and then in the spring we're going to come back and spray foam to this entire area. So you can see here they've had a lot of leak issues. We're coming in, filling the whole thing up. It's laying a little bit rougher than what we'd like, but we'll come back in the spring when we got more heat and get things a little smoother. So we're going to get this dried in. We're going to get it coated, just a light acrylic coating. Run them through the winter time, and then we get in here, clean everything back up, smooth everything up, and tie it back in and do the whole roof. You can see here we've added the second layer right over in this area, right through here, so it does get a little bit smoother just with those rocks. Pretty rough. And then I don't know if it shows, but one of the reasons I had leak issues right here through this center section, it's been holding a lot of water. So right now we're building up a base layer. When we come back in, we're going to add probably 1.5 inches of total material, maybe 2 inches, tying it up on the building, and we're going to move that water and move it right on down to the drainage areas. So this is Pratt Community College. This is video 2. We'll come back and do a video later showing us cleaning it up and tidying it up for the year.